दूसरा बांग्लादेश बॉर्डर पे दुनिया भर के नदियाँ, गंगा जी की 20 धारा 50 धारा हो गई वहाँ पे जाकर। तो उससे उसमें उसको बीएसएफ से फेंस करना तो आसान है नदी को, तो उन धाराओं से निकल करके आ जाते हैं, नदी के रास्ते आ जाते हैं। तो बांग्लादेश बॉर्डर पे माइग्रेशन को रोकना डिफिकल्ट है। और दूसरा मैंने कहा यूज ऑफ फोर्स में भी बहुत डिफरेंस है।
ये माइग्रेशन पे बात हुई है, रिवर्स माइग्रेशन। मैं पहाड़ पे रहा हूँ रिटायरमेंट के बाद करीब 1.5 साल मैं रिसर्च करते हुए अपना फील्ड वर्क वहीं किया है। और काफ़ी चीज़ें हम बोलते हैं यहाँ, और मेरे भी शायद समझ में नहीं आई थी उससे पहले। सबसे बड़ी मुश्किल ये है कि हम हकीकत का सामना नहीं करना चाहते हैं। सॉल्यूशंस perhaps lies in improving the education system out there. 50% स्कूल पहाड़ पे बंद हो गए, लेकिन हम दिखाना नहीं चाहते कि क्यों बंद हो गए। कई जगह एक ही बच्चा रह गया है, टीचर्स 6-7 है। तो एजुकेशन जो है, एंड अभी भी द गवर्नमेंट एंड ऑल ऑफ अस हु आर इन द टाउन, वी आर नॉट ready to accept that reality, that because of poor education, even the poor man there, he is doing wages, daily wages job, but he is sending his children down to the plains because the quality education की अच्छी नहीं है। Teachers देहरादून में रहते हैं, they go every day, and by the time they reach, they are tired, and that's time for them to come back to Dehradun, Haldwani from other side. और दूसरा जो point है, it needs to be understood by the system here, by the system in the education department and everybody, the day they realize that there is a real problem. Second issue which I realized is the medical facility. I have seen during my stay there for my research that a lady who is pregnant, even to go to a nearest roadhead, it has to be men who picks her up. And you can imagine the kind of embarrassment she goes through. And by the time she reaches the roadhead, there will be some makeshift transport which will take her, and on the way she delivers the baby even before reaching her. So there has to be, I have talked in my book which I have written post this thing. There is a heli ambulance facilities in Lakshadweep, in of course foreign countries. Anytime there is a problem, start that kind of evacuation where helicopter goes. It doesn't take more than 40 minutes anywhere in the hilly area from Dehradun or Haldwani. Till the time these two things are not attended to, we'll continue to say homestay बना दो, वहाँ जाएंगे वापस. There are very few who are going to go back till the time the basic facilities and our children do not start studying there. And creating a job, factories will have to be opened in hilly areas. It is not possible for people to get trained. Skill development नहीं है उनका. Beyond pastoral and the basic rudimentary agriculture, skill development is not there. So that has to be done, and factories have to be there to give them job there. Then only it is possible. Otherwise, we can keep talking. Solutions will not be forthcoming, and perhaps hills are getting vacated every single day, and there will be open areas for terrorists to come in tomorrow. And government will really have to face a lot of expenditure to maintain who is there. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. एक सोल्यूशन तो मेरे दिमाग में आता है कि हमारे कंट्री का मोटो है सत्यमेव जयते। तो हम अगर सत्य बोलना शुरू कर देंगे, चाहे कोई हो, जो भी हमारी प्रॉब्लम है, तो सत्य रूप से उसको अगर हम बोलेंगे, फ्रैंकली बोलेंगे, उसको लाग लपेट नहीं बनाएंगे, उसकी जलेबी नहीं बनाएंगे, तो शायद चीज़ें हो जाएंगी। थैंक यू वेरी मच। जय हिंद।
Thank you, sir. Thank you. May I request Ajit Puthania, Director Thrive, to please present mementos to Lieutenant Dr. J.S. Negi, Dr. Ashok Kumar, DGP Uttarakhand, and Dr. P.D. Patel.